Looking for a dish that's rich, savory, and perfect for dinner? Let's make chicken with spinach and mushrooms in a creamy Parmesan sauce, a quick and satisfying meal that'll impress everyone at the table. First, season 4, boneless, skinless chicken breasts with a pinch of salt and pepper on both sides. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Sear the chicken for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side until they're golden brown and fully cooked. Set them aside for now. In the same skillet, toss in 1 chopped onion and sauté for a few minutes until softened. Add 3 cloves of minced garlic, give it a quick stir, and then add 2 cups of sliced mushrooms. Cook until they start to brown, and then stir in 2 cups of fresh spinach until it wilts. Now, let's make it creamy. Pour in 1 cup of heavy cream and a half cup of chicken broth and bring it to a simmer. Stir in a half cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and a pinch of red pepper flakes if you like a little heat. Let the sauce thicken for about 3 to 4 minutes. Return the chicken breast to the skillet, spoon that rich sauce over them, and let everything heat through for a couple more minutes. Finally, garnish with freshly chopped parsley, and your dish is ready to serve. There you have it, chicken with spinach and mushrooms in creamy Parmesan sauce. It's indulgent, flavorful, and sure to become a new favorite. Try it out tonight and let us know how it turned out. Follow me for more delicious recipes like this one. Happy cooking!